Welcome to our guide on how to read food labels and make smarter choices. In today's world, with an abundance of food options, decoding labels can be key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, always start by checking the serving size. This tells you how much of the product the nutrition information covers. Consuming more than this amount means you're also getting more calories, fats, and nutrients. Next, move to the calories section. Familiarize yourself with the number of calories per serving and decide if it fits into your daily calorie needs. But remember, not all calories are created equal. Now onto fats. Look for saturated fats and trans fats in particular, as these can impact heart health negatively. Aim for lower numbers here. Not all fats are bad. Unsaturated fats can be beneficial. The sodium content is another crucial factor. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure, so opt for products with lower sodium levels, especially if you're monitoring your salt intake. Then check out the carbohydrates. Pay attention to dietary fiber and sugars. High dietary fiber can aid digestion, while high sugar levels, especially added sugars, can lead to health issues if consumed in large amounts. Protein is vital for repair and growth. Evaluate the protein content, especially if you're an active individual or looking to build muscle. Lastly, inspect the vitamins and minerals section. Look for nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. These are essential for a balanced diet, often lacking in many diets. You might also find the ingredients list helpful. It's typically arranged from highest to lowest quantity. Watch out for overly long lists or ingredients you don't recognize. These might indicate heavily processed foods. In summary, start with the serving size, then work your way through calories, fats, sodium, carbs, protein, and the essential vitamins and minerals. By getting into the habit of reading food labels, you empower yourself to make informed decisions and contribute to your overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful tips.